Hey everyone, this is Katie again making another video. I'm going to be doing the Kylie Jenner lip kit in high maintenance. I got this from Kylie.com. It was on sale, but it's not always on sale, but it's a pretty, I don't know if you guys can see, it's pink, and then has a lip liner that you have to sharpen, but to start off you want to line your whole lip. That's the key to getting your liquid lipstick to stay on. I love pinks. It's one of my favorite colors. I don't know if you guys can see in the background, but I absolutely love it. Her lip kits always smell so good to me. And pink goes with really any skin tone, any time of year. Pink's always in. Just thought I'd share this high maintenance Kylie Jenner liquid lip kit. I absolutely love it. Her products are amazing. I've never had issues with my lips drying out or cracking or anything. I swear by her lip kits. Besides Maybelline, her lip kits are the best stuff out there. Just thought I'd share that with you. Always thank you for tuning into my videos, and you can connect with me. All my information will be below on different social media sites, and thank you.